Imagine being behind the wheel of the Odyssey Engine, a marvel of engineering, designed not just to move, but to connect. This vehicle, equipped with the most advanced AI, learns from its human passengers, adapting to their preferences, moods, and needs. It feels like having a conversation with technology that truly understands you. It's not only about transportation, but also about fostering empathy and creating bonds between humans and machines. As the Odyssey Engine navigates through urban landscapes, it opens doors to efficient public transport solutions, reducing congestion while enhancing community interactions, transforming cities into harmonious spaces where travel is a shared experience. Are you ready to embrace this journey toward a more connected, intelligent future?